Michigamme Elementary School has written skits and a song to help teach you about the I-Care rules.
Our skit is about rule number 1. We listen to each other. Kristen and Summer are walking out the soccer field. That game wasn't fair. They cheated, don't you think?
Totally.
We weren't cheating, you guys were.
What's the matter with you? We used to be our friends.
Have you guys ever heard of I-Care-Cat rules?
Shut up.
Are you guys playing the game?
So?
Will you guys listen to me? Buzz off. Look, you're not following the first rule. We listen to each other.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Our skit is about hands for help and not hurting. Dan and Adam will pass the ball to each other.
Oh, seeing you pass the ball reminds me of one of my kids' life stories. Hey, don't you listen to PA in the morning? Hands are for helping, not hurting. Now help them up and say you're sorry.
I'm sorry. It's okay. People make mistakes. Good catch. Thanks. That was even better.
Class dismissed. Slam.
Our skit is about rule number 3. We use I-Care language. Alyssa, I'll meet you after school today. Okay. Watch out. Get out of my way. I bet there's some kindness in that girl. Maybe we should get that part out of her. Yeah, right. That's impossible. You're right. I'm sure it would be hard. Hi, that's a nice shirt. Thanks. I'll see you outside. Okay, bye. Bye. Well, she sure has some kindness in her, so she must have heard and learned from I-Care-Cat. Hey, I thought I told you to get out of my way. Now move. Recess. I'll meet you later. All right. Give me your lunch meat, Brad. Stop, leave me alone. How about you do something about it? Stop. Stop. Leave my friend alone. M-I-B. No. I'll get you next time. Come on, let's go play. Hey, you almost made me drop my books. You're lucky I didn't, or you would have been in trouble. I wish I had some friends, if only I wasn't so mean. What's the matter? I have no friends. I'll be your friend, but on condition you have to use I-Care language and be nice to my friends. Really? You will? Yep. Okay. Got yourself a deal. Our skit is about rule number 4. We care about each other's feelings. The only type of food that tastes gross is the cardboard. You mean the stuff? Who do you think you are? What was that for? Ow, you hurt my shoulder. What's the problem? Wow! Be nice, respect other people's feelings. Now what's the problem? It's her fault. Hey, Stacy, want to go to the mall? Wait a minute, I'm helping them with their problems. No, we care about each other's feelings. Didn't you guys listen to the I-Care-Cat? Who listens to a cat? We do. Then why? Shake hands and say you're sorry. I'm sorry. That's the way it should be. Let's all be friends. And go to the mall.
This skit is about rule number 5. We are responsible for what we say and do. On the blacktop at recess, Jebediah and Cornelius are making fun of each other's names.
I don't like your name, Cornelius.
I don't like your name, Jebediah.
Ouch!
Shut up, I have the best name. Stewie.
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
Next day at recess.
Why'd you make fun of my name yesterday, Jebediah?
Because it's a stupid name.
And yours is.
No, yours is.
I told on you guys. Now you're in trouble.
Who started this racket?
David.
Say sorry and come friends me.
Only David will. Okay. I'm sorry.
Hello, boys and girls. My name is I-Care-Cat. This is my friend Squeakers, and we're here to talk to you about the 5 I-Care rules. The first rule is we listen to each other. This will be demonstrated by Brad and Jeremy.
Okay, this is the last game of the flag football series. We need this touchdown to win the championship. Here's my flag. You hike it to me, I'll run halfway, and I'll toss it to you and we score a touchdown. That's a good plan. Thanks. Here's my plan. You hike it to me, you go on the end line, I throw it to you and score a touchdown. I think we should do yours. No, we should do yours. We'll do my plan. Okay. Hike. Touchdown.
Rule number 2 is hands are for helping, not hurting. This will be demonstrated by Dylan, Ryan, and Adam. Hey Ryan, give me a high five. Yeah, oh, sorry. You can help me with that.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome. Rule number 3 is we use I-Care language. This will be demonstrated by April and Natalie.
Bye, I gotta go.
Bye.
Hi, may I please play with you?
Sure. You want some help?
Yes, please.
Good job.
Thanks.
Nice catch.
Thank you for helping me.
Anytime.
Rule number 4 is we care about each other's feelings, and this will be demonstrated by Brittany and Nicole.
What's wrong, Brittany? I don't want to talk right now. Well, sometimes it helps to talk about things.
It does?
Yeah, it does. Do you want to talk about it now?
Well, okay. I lost a friend today because she was talking behind my back.
Well, I'll be your friend.
You will?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go play.
Rule number 5 is we are responsible for what we say and do. This will be demonstrated by Jennifer and Megan.
Hi, are you new here?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jennifer.
Hey, Megan.
Where'd you move from? Chicago. Did you like it there?
I liked it better here because I didn't have any friends in Chicago.
Do you need me to help you answer any questions?
Yeah, I was looking for some stop shakers room.
In a minute, Pastor Joe will show you the way.
Okay.
consequences. And don't forget to use the I-Care